Now for fun, we're going to try a trick today a couple tricks that have been handed down to us from the old timers. We're going to use nails and a hammer. Because we don't have power to this cabin, I could turn the generator on and plug a compressor in and string a hose out here, plug a gun into it, and then blast these risers on. I don't feel like doing that today, and it's nice to get in touch with what the old guys did. So the first method is going to be to just get your nails organized in your offhand so that you can feed them into the wood as you hammer along. We'll see if we can do it. So that is fun. If we did it on a regular basis, we'd get good at it and probably pretty efficient. And could go all day just like that. Now, you saw me run into a knot behind that one nail and it's slow way down. And it's okay to choke up on the hammer. This looks macho and should be left for people who are really good at it. It's okay to get here, slow down. You won't bend your nail over. Anyway, little trip back in time right there. That was fun. The method I really like, some old timers would hold their nails in their mouth.